Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm well doing, Jyoti, and nice to meet you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming on my channel. And this
Yes. Thank you for thank you for giving me opportunity and giving me your precious time.
it's
Thank you.
it's always my pleasure, ma'am. So, as you are first time on my channel, I would love to know about yourself. So, please, could you introduce yourself?
Yes, I am Beena Mishra from Rajasthan, Savai Madhopur. Do you know about Savai Madhopur?
I know about Rajasthan, but not that district.
Okay. Uh, Savai Madhopur is famous for tourism
Tourism. Okay.
and for national park, Tiger Reserve National Park.
Okay.
This is called Tiger City.
Tiger City. Okay.
Tiger City. And uh, there is many tourists comes there all over the country or world in Savai Madhopur. And another famous thing is Ganesh Mandir, Trinetra Ganesh Mandir.
Okay.
In all over world, only one Ganesh Mandir there. Uh, the god Ganesha seated with their family, and god Ganesh have three netra,
Okay.
three eyes.
Okay. So,
So, so it is famous, and people invites Trinetra Ganesh to in their weddings and another Shubh programs. We can say any program like Mundan, like weddings, any other programs. They give invitation to Ganesh all over the India, from all over the India.
they visit, like Lord Ganesha visit their homes?
Mm, they visit to Ganesh Mandir. People they
Okay.
visit to Ganesh Mandir to give invitation.
Oh,
Like we give invitation our family members, relatives.
okay. Okay, ma'am. Lovely.
Yes,
I,
yes.
I
And now I would like to share to you my qualification. I am BSc B.Ed, BSc in Bio. I am Master in Sanskrit and English, and now I am Sanskrit lecturer in Government Girls School Pundera, Savai Madhopur, and this is my little bit introduction.
a lot of introduction, ma'am. So lovely. You have articulate your everything. Lovely to know about yourself. So, do I need to introduce
And
myself?
yes,
Oh,
yes, I want to give introduction to.
okay, ma'am. So, this is Jyoti Mishra. I am basically from Bihar and I live in Pune. Um,
Yes,
I am working in Pune in a corporate sector, and my hobbies are reading books and traveling. And recently, I have started my YouTube channel. My, it's been
yes,
1 month, and I am enjoying my journey daily. Whenever I get
yes.
time, I try to upload some videos. So this is my little bit.
Yes, yes. You have taken session. Any other person before?
A lot of sessions I have uploaded, and I just need to edit. Then I will upload more session. Like I have recorded lots of
Yes,
session, but I don't have much time. That's why edit takes lots of
yes, yes.
like when we go to
What is
it. So
what is the name of your channel?
yes, Jyoti's Curious Mind.
Jyoti Curious Mind. Very good name.
Actually,
Jyoti, really Jyoti have curious mind.
yes, this name a little bit suits me. Like I really try, always try to explore new things. I love to
Yes,
know
yes, yes,
something new always. So that's why I
yes.
started my journey.
Jyoti, I glad to meet you. Very glad.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's my pleasure. I'm so glad that you are here with me. Okay, ma'am. So I just have
Yes, Jyoti.
a question like, how did you started your journey? Like,
I am MA in Sanskrit and also MA in
MA, yes,
English.
but MA in English.
Uh,
So,
and also I have pursued, I had pursued D pharmacy. In
oh,
these days, women not do D pharmacy, not did D pharmacy. D pharmacy is a diploma in pharmacy medicine.
diploma in pharmacy. Ma'am,
Jyoti, your
yes, ma'am. So you were talking about your English journey. So when you started, please tell me.
yes, I would like to say that Jyoti, in start I fight a RPSC exam, Rajasthan teachers exam. When I joined as a third grade teacher, as a third grade teacher, I had taught 9th, 10th students English, and I like write and teach English because I have attract passionate to English. Always I passionate to English, but to 2009 till 2009 I had taught students of 9 10 English, so I have more passionate to English, attraction, I can say attraction to English. And 2 or 3 years ago I thought that I should speak in English. I should try to speak in English.
Earlier,
Then
but
I tried.
teaching a student to students, but speaking was not there.
Yes, I I had teaching. Uh,
Yes,
I had taught, but not speaking because we in India, or I can say Rajasthan, we study in Hindi medium schools.
correct,
So
ma'am.
our English speaking is not very
Good.
well, not good at uh, English.
Yes, ma'am.
So we cannot speak in English fluent. Speak but not fluent.
Correct, ma'am.
Uh, we can understand English very well. We know about tenses very well, but we cannot speak. So 2 or 3 years ago, I had tried to speak English. So I tried to collect vocabulary and broken English, to speak broken English. And next year, I have taken session with Manju ma'am, advocate Karishma Chauhan, and YouTuber Radha. Uh, I have taken session. So my hesitation go off.
Correct, ma'am.
Uh, before this, I hesitated. I feel hesitated, so I can't speak. But now I don't feel hesitation. Uh,
Yes,
Although my English is not very good, but I have no hesitation
yes.
in this time.
You can manage. Like everyone can
Uh,
understand your what you want to say. Everyone can understand.
yes.
Yes, and
So, but this year, 4 to 5 months ago, I have suffered from sleep disc. And till then, from from then, I can't connect with people and I couldn't practice in English speaking. So break my journey, broken my journey. But now Manju ma'am added me WhatsApp
Group.
group. Then I have a spark of motivation, and again I start my journey.
Wow, lovely. And this
This is my journey. Jyoti.
journey, like you have started speaking journey before 2 years, around 2 years ago. So, and
Yes, yes.
now you can understand, you can speak very well. You can hold a conversation.
Yeah, but
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, but I am not fluent and
Time.
want to get fluency.
It takes time, like it's a language. It's
Yes,
not like 1 or 2 months
uh,
or 1 year, 2 year enough. It's lifelong journey.
yes, yes,
It takes,
yes, yes, yes,
if you are consistent, you are getting efforts in this language, so you will become fluent. Like first step you have
yeah.
already done. Just need to
It needs so hard work, perseverance,
con-
dedication.
you have
So and we are working. Yes, yes, Jyoti.
you have
Please continue.
very advanced vocabulary. You have already, ma'am. You have used so much advanced vocabulary, persistence, consistency, motivation. So you have lots of vocabulary. Your dictionary. Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead. What you want to say?
Yes, I want to say that this my channel's name is Lifelong Learner because we are all we are all learners of lifelong. So I have named my channel Lifelong Learner.
Very nice name. I have visited your channel yesterday, and I have watched your lots of videos. Like some, you are not on the camera, but you try to speak without camera.
Yes, yes, yes.
Some video
Yeah,
to explain a topic. So I just watched. And name is very inspiring. Lifelong learner.
yeah,
I just
yes, yes. And in Corona time, I had uh, made videos on science topic, science 9, 10. This is the start of my channel.
okay. So you have started on Corona time this channel.
Yes,
Oh,
yes, Corona time. But I couldn't continue this channel because of less of motivation, we can say.
now you can continue, ma'am. Like you can speak, so you can approach people, and then you can upload some session in the week if you have time. Like I know the time is not sufficient if you are working, so
Yes, we are, sir. Yeah, yes, yes, Jyoti, we are working, so we cannot have sufficient time to video. We can make, but added and edit these videos and finishing. It's a need to making videos.
lots of time is needed. Yes, ma'am. If I talk about, so my 8 to 9 hours go in office only. Then I will have to manage my.
Yes, yes,
Then I just try
yes,
to upload
and
video whenever, but it's really very tough. It's not that much easy. I just
yes. Jyoti, would like to know about your journey.
Yes, ma'am, sure. So I was always good at grammar or writing English, but speaking was so less. Like I was not able to speak. Confidence was very less. So before around 1 year ago, I just tried to speak. Like I started like starting. I have read this type of books, lots of books I have read, but I just want to improve my speaking. So I tried to approach some people
Yes,
like Manju ma'am or some YouTubers I have connected. But then I thought like I will have to speak more and more. But I don't have the courage
yes, yes,
to start my YouTube channel. It needs a lot of courage to start a
yes, yes, yes,
channel and consistency. So I didn't start my
yes,
channel earlier. I just record my video on camera, but didn't upload anywhere.
Yes, yes, yes,
I was good at
yes,
grammar, like I know tense, voice, narration. I have a lot of grammar, vocab I can manage. If you speak advanced words, so I can manage. But speaking was not that much good earlier. So then I thought, before 1 month ago, I have started my YouTube channel. And within a month, I can say I improved a lot. I have
yes.
with my
No, yes, yes, Jyoti, your English is very good and fluency. You got fluency in 1 month.
Yes, ma'am. Earlier, I was so much shy. Like I was not able to come on camera. Like I was always thought, how can I face camera? I was so much introvert person.
Yes, yes.
But
Uh,
city,
uh,
although I live in city, but still I had lots of fear. But somehow,
similar, yeah, similar to me. I am also introvert person, so I have hesitation to face camera, to speak in front of somebody. So I couldn't get fluency, and mm, our hobbies are similar. I am fascinated for books reading.
okay.
You
I,
you have read Atomic Habit?
no, ma'am, I have ordered this book, so I will read. In this week, I will receive, so I will read. I haven't
This
read
is
very
this is very best book for habit formation or to live bad habits.
yes.
This is a book for children, youngers, and old persons. Anyone can read this book and motivated. For motivation, this is must need to buy this book.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone need to.
I should buy this book right now. So
Yes, yes.
I have,
Again and again and again, we should read this book.
yes, ma'am. So whenever you have time, so you should repeat the book. Like once you have completed, so you can repeat that book.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, yes, yes.
Correct.
Right, right, Jyoti.
Okay, ma'am. So now we have prepared a topic, so we can discuss for that topic for sometimes. Like we don't have much time, or
Yes,
we can
yes, yes,
discuss a little bit.
yes, yes,
So our topic is success
yes.
and motivation. So what do you think
Success.
more
Yes, yes,
more important, and how can we improve?
yes. I want to say that about success and motivation, they are dependent on each other. Success, uh, success comes by motivation, and mm, motivation uh, take us to success. If we will get if we get a small success, then we motivated to go ahead. And if we get motivation, a spark of motivation, then we will get success. So these are both are in dependent to each other. And one other point I want to say that success uh, motivation differs person to person, because uh, uh, one person who motivated by positive situations, but another person break records by negative situations also. Uh, so I want to say that uh, uh, many people are they grow in negative situations, and some people are grow in positive situation. As a teacher, I want to say that uh, reinforcement are two types: reinforcement, we can say motivation, two types, positive or negative. As a teacher, I can say students, when a student, we give positive reinforcement, then he will grow in class and improve better than if we give negative reinforcement, like we scold the student, then he or she become backbencher if we give negative reinforcement. But a weak student, we give a positive reinforcement, then we can grow and improve. Second day, you he show off you that I can improve, ma'am. So these are two types of motivation, positive and negative. And now uh, I want to take your thoughts about motivation and success.
Okay, ma'am. I will tell you. According to me, success is different for everyone. Like for me, if I am preparing for some government job or anything, so success, for me, that is a success. For you, success can be different. But I just
Yes,
want to say, like, if you, whatever you want to do and you are doing, if you are feel happy, you don't feel bored, it means you are success. Like if I am working in a corporate sector, I don't feel bored every day. If I have to go office in morning, if I don't think I don't want to go, if I had this type of thought, so I cannot continue this.
yes.
Even as
Their need of their need of motivation.
this, here comes the motivation. If I have joined any company, so this is inner voice. Motivation, we can say this is inner voice. Yes, I have started this. I need to continue this. I cannot leave in the between. I need to continue.
Yes.
In this,
So consistency is a must. Consistency is must.
and everything you want to do, nothing comes in one day. But one day that comes.
Yes.
Sing,
Success is product of daily habit. Success is product of daily habits.
yes, ma'am.
You put in yourself daily habit, consistency and discipline with hard work. Then you can get success.
Yeah, everything is possible. Like if I am putting effort in right direction, I cannot say like it takes time. I don't say like I will get in one day. It may takes time, but yes, I can achieve everything if I am honest with myself. Like if I am alone in my home and I am honest with myself, so no one can break my consistency. So you should be honest with.
Yes. Yes. You should be pragmatic. You should be diligent person.
Wow, you have used so.
And
We learned this recently, this word, and you have used
yes,
nicely.
and we should take a insightful decision for our career, for our family, and for our English journey, we
Correct.
can say, and any other skill we want to learn. So, insightful decision is must, and we need to be diligent person, pragmatic person. If you are not pragmatic, then you cannot anything else. You cannot do anything else. So, pragmatic person become is must necessary everyone.
Yes, ma'am. I just want to ask a question. Like you are a teacher, so do you have any challenges right now? Do you face any challenges? Like how to handle the
Yes.
situation? Sometimes children are not listen you. So do you face sometimes issue like how to handle this class? Do you face any this type of situation?
Yes. Yes. I told you, Jyoti, that motivation to give motivation to students is a handling of students. We need to give motivation like positive motivation, positive reinforcement is necessary to children naughty children, or
See,
we can say overactive children. Uh, a teacher binds, a teacher can bind students by way of teaching. If you are good at teaching, then you can bind your students, and then naughty students or good students are fan of you.
correct, ma'am. If you are honest, so there were some category
Yes,
always thought, yes, this ma'am is always good. They always try to, she always try to motivate us, always try to provide some knowledge us. So there,
yes, yes,
children might be again,
and
they are not good at
yes,
studying,
yes.
but yes,
If you are honest to your work, then students give you more respect, and the respect by given by students is the we can say money for teacher.
more than money for teacher. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Of course,
yes,
like teacher has a lots of effort. Like if I am successful, I cannot forget this fact. Like yes, my teacher has put some effort to make me this type of person.
yes, yes, yes,
If I am
yes, yes,
at this subject, it means there is some effort provided by my teacher. He or she has put some effort to make me this type of person. So teacher has a great
yes, yes, yes,
in a student's life.
yes, yes.
Mhm.
Now, Jyoti, I bring some idioms to success,
Okay, ma'am.
related to success, like go to the extra mile. If we want to succeed, we should go to the extra mile. It means we should do extra work.
Some extra thing. What is your level? You just try to expand your level. Like today I am
Yes,
here, I just want to go some extra. I just want to go
yes, yes.
extra mile.
Yeah. Another one is shoot the stars.
Shoot,
Shoot the stars means setting high goal. You should
uh,
set high goal.
shoot,
If you can't shoot a high goal, you can't set high goal, then you couldn't get
get
this
success.
get success, and you couldn't reach the higher level.
Higher level. Shoot the stars.
Shoot the stars.
It's a
Yes,
lovely one.
shoot the stars.
You for me. To be honest,
Yeah,
it's new for me.
yeah. It means setting high goal.
Okay.
So every one of us, if we want to learn any skill, then we should shoot the stars.
Shoot the
We
stars.
should set the higher goal, because if you don't have any dreams,
You
then you cannot achieve a higher level.
anything comes
So
from
all
thoughts. If you want to do anything, it comes first in your thoughts. Your thoughts always be positive,
yes,
very big. Like yes, I can do this thing. I can.
yes,
So the
yes. If
that's
your thoughts doesn't insightful, or to set your high goal, then you can't get a higher success.
yes,
A
ma'am.
mini success you can get, but not reach higher level, peak of the point.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Another one is hit the jackpot.
With the jack,
Hit HIT.
hit the jackpot.
Hit the jack. Yes. It means to achieve great success.
To achieve great success. Okay.
Yes,
We should hit the jackpot. If you have a
yes,
good lead, so you should have hit the jackpot.
yes, yes. These are three idioms about success, and now you can say something
Okay,
to
ma'am.
motivate me.
Ma'am, you are a teacher. I have nothing in front of you. You are my senior.
No. We can learn every person,
Yeah, ma'am. That's
whether he or she is small or whether he or she old age. We cannot say we can motivated by senior person. No, we can learn a junior person, and I am very motivated by you, Jyoti,
okay, ma'am.
and we both are Mishra, and so motivation grow,
Yes,
Mishra.
ma'am. It means a lot for me. Thank you so much for your lovely words. Okay, so I have some idioms. Make your blood boil. Do you know this idiom?
No.
Make your boil blood means to make someone angry. Blood boil.
Okay.
Make
Blood boil.
make your blood boil.
Make your blood.
Yeah. It,
Okay. Blood boil.
when you
To
try
make something.
someone very angry, like I am doing something very wrong, so you can be angry at me. Okay. So
Yes.
okay.
I can use. I want to use this.
Yes, ma'am.
If I don't my homework, then my teacher uh, teachers my teacher I have made blood boil of my teacher.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Focus on our,
Nice.
otherwise our manager. Then next we have under the weather. This is so common.
Under. Yes. Under the weather. Nowadays I am feeling under the weather.
Take care of yourself, ma'am. You will get recover very soon. Take care of your health.
Yes.
Top priority.
Thank you, Jyoti.
Health is everything.
Yes. Health is everything. Health is wealth.
Then we have over the moon.
Over the moon. Very happy.
I am over the moon because I am talked with ma'am today. You made my day.
Uh,
I am very
yes.
happy because today I have talked with Tina ma'am.
Yes. When we yesterday when we joined live Manju ma'am, I am over the moon.
Correct. Next we have on cloud 9.
On this is same. Very happy.
Yes. We use
On cloud 9.
or to a state. This is a state of happiness. When we are so much happy, so
Yes.
excited, then we use this.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Now we don't have times. It's only 2 minutes. So thank you so much for joining.
Yes.
And
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you for giving me opportunity to talk to you
it's always my
again and again. And I want that you connect with me again and again in future.
yes, ma'am. Of course, we will connect again. For your channel as well, we will connect again. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you, Jyoti. Bye, Jyoti.